Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you this exercise about copying a new or the latest report to another worksheet. So what I got here is the data set. Consists of these columns: date, order ID, customer, product, quantity, unit price, and revenue. So I got 20 rows here. So I got old report like August 1 to August 10. This is an old report, and then I'm not gonna copy that to the new worksheet. So the thing is, I'm gonna copy this new report, okay, the latest report, this portion, September, okay, this August, I'm not gonna copy it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a macro that will address this situation. I'm gonna create I would like the macro to create a new worksheet, which I'm gonna call latest report. So the macro will create a new worksheet. Right now I only have sheet number 1. So the macro will create a new worksheet which is called latest report. It will be open in this workbook, and then the new report portion will be copied and pasted to that new worksheet. Okay, that is the exercise that we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna open the VB editor in order for me to be able to create the macro that I'm gonna use for opening a new worksheet, which is called latest report. So Alt F11. So I'm gonna open a module editor giving me the module number 1. I'm gonna close this explorer as well as the this window to have a bigger screen. Then I'm gonna write the name of the macro, which I'm calling latest report macro. Okay, then I'm gonna declare variables. I'm gonna start with WS as worksheet, comma, I'm gonna give another one. I'm gonna declare another one. I'm gonna call it new WS, okay, because I'm opening a new worksheet, okay, adjacent to the existing one. All right, as worksheet. Then another one is last row. Last row as long. All right, and then I'm gonna set this set WS worksheet equals sheets. Okay, the existing one, which is sheet number 1, sheet 1, and then also the last row equals WS dot cells. Okay, WS dot rows dot count. Okay, we're counting the rows now, and the rows that we're gonna count is column, not rows but rather column. Okay, column A, or column A. Of course it counts the rows, okay, but for the column A. All right, then that end, this is for the counting Excel app. Okay, that row. That's it. All right, then on error, resume, next. Okay, I missed the E. Resume next. And then I'm gonna set the new WS, new worksheet. I missed the W again. W is, all right, I mean equal sheets. So I'm gonna name the new worksheet, which is called latest report. The macro will will create and open, right, and then close it. Then I'm gonna write a condition here. If new WAS, the new worksheet, is nothing, then set new WS, okay, equals sheets since I'm gonna add a new worksheet, so I'm gonna use the instruction add, all right, and then again new WS, right, that name equals, okay, so the name is again latest report. Okay, it should be inside the quotation mark. So that is for the if. So I'm gonna say end if. Okay, then on error go to 0. Then WAS dot rows, okay, last row, last row, -9 ampersand, then colon inside the quotation mark, all right, ampersand again, then last row, then close, dot copy, new WAS, new worksheet, that range. So I'm gonna specify the range that we're targeting here for the latest report, which is on A1, all right, so I'm gonna say the range is in A1, close, okay. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna save this latest report in this workbook. So I have to specify this workbook, okay, this workbook dot save as, oh, it has selected XML, all right, okay, then in sub already have it, so I'm gonna adjust it, okay, all right, I got the code for the addition of the new worksheet called latest report. So I'm gonna go to Excel, okay, I'm gonna open the macro dialog box, which is Alt F8, okay, there it is, the latest report macro. So I'm gonna run the macro now, okay. So there's a Microsoft Excel dialog box here, or rather message, a file name automating report.xlsm, because this is macro enabled workbook already exists in this location. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I'm gonna copy this, okay, right. So we have the latest report here, down here. In addition to the sheet number 1, we have the latest report. So I have already copied the new report, so I'm gonna adjust the column. So if you see, I got the report from September 1 to September 10, the ID, the names, the product, etc. Okay, This is coming from this latest report is coming from sheet number 1, which is this portion, which is the latest one. Okay, that's it for our today's exercise. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.